Virginia Stockwell, and my channel is all about becoming a personal chef. So if you have any interest in becoming a personal chef, please subscribe. And if you ever have any questions at all, my email's below. And just send me an email with your question in it, and I'll answer it in an upcoming video. This question is about scheduling. I think this particular person was asking because they have a job already and they weren't sure how to go about scheduling their day. So first, let me tell you how I schedule my week. I schedule cook sessions Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. or 1:30 p.m. So I go to their house and I hang out for about 2.5, 3 hours or so. I do grocery shopping at lunchtime, and then I have another cook session in the afternoon. And I usually do paperwork like answering emails, bookkeeping, that kind of thing on Thursdays. And Wednesday evenings, I actually work later on Wednesdays, and that's when I send out my menus for the following week. And then throughout the week, I'll figure out 15 minutes here or there to be able to do grocery lists. I don't do very many dinner parties anymore because I'm already working Monday through Friday. I don't accept that many weekend dinner parties, but when I didn't have a full week, maybe I was only working Monday and Tuesday or Monday through Wednesday, I would book Saturdays or Friday evenings with dinner parties a lot. I probably did 3 to 6 a month when I first started out, but doing dinner parties is a lot more work because you have to do a lot more planning. The time has to be perfected so you can make sure that they're getting their meal on time as well. There's a lot of hauling of things from one place to another. We like to call them moving company because there sure are a lot of things to move from your house to your car to their house. And plus you have a lot more groceries than usual during an event. Of course you get paid more, but I prefer just a less stressful life, and I'm pretty much doing Monday through Friday just cook sessions with the occasional dinner party here or there. Now, if you have a full-time job already, you might be wondering, how am I going to go about starting my personal chef business when I already have a full-time job? If you work Monday through Friday, say 8 to 5, then you're going to have to be able to do cook sessions either in the evening, or you can do dinner parties on Saturdays. Maybe first think about who you want your clients to be. If it's a family, I actually don't know many families who might want you to be at their home in the evening while they're trying to prepare dinner for their own family in the evening, and you're in there trying to make dinner for the next 3 days for them. It might get a little crowded and crazy in there too. When the kids start coming in and bringing their toys and they're excited there's a visitor, you can't be as efficient as you normally would. So you have to take into account the stress of, all the chaos going in the kitchen during regular mealtime, and you're trying to prepare meals for them for the next few days. Chaos, I don't know. If you can handle it, give it a shot. But when you're first starting out and you have a full-time job Monday through Friday, maybe instead start with just dinner parties. So you can do those. They're usually Saturday night. I really wish there were more on Friday evening, but I feel like everybody wants Saturday night. If you can dedicate your Saturday nights to trying out these dinner parties, you might enjoy doing that as like a side job. But I guess my opinion is that if you really want personal chef to be your main career, you might have to let that full-time job 8 to 5 Monday through Friday go in exchange for something else that could help you transition into the career as a personal chef. What I did is I picked up numerous jobs actually. I started working for 2 different catering companies. One catering company worked a lot with fraternities and sororities. So they did a lot of luncheons and things, and so I worked with them maybe Wednesday through Friday. And then I worked for another catering company on Saturday and did a lot of weddings on Saturdays. And as well, I worked, at a coffee shop early in the morning. I just took on like numerous little side jobs just to get, my bills paid. So I always kept Monday through Wednesday mornings available because I wanted to ultimately make my business so I'm just working Monday through Friday during business hours. And I didn't want to do a lot of events on the weekends. I wanted to concentrate on just making my business during those 5 days. So I did take on a lot of these side jobs. I think I did it for about 1.5 years before I really built up my business enough where I can let all that other stuff go. I think if you're really serious, you do have to make yourself available on the days that you ultimately want to make your business about. So step back maybe and think about your big picture business model. What days do you want to work? Just say that you have nothing else going on, your bank account's good, and you want to be a personal chef. What days would you like to work? What hours would you like to work? How much would you like to make? Work on your big picture. And from there, maybe whittle down and figure out, based on those goals, how can I get there? And it may require you letting go of that full-time job and getting some smaller part-time jobs to accommodate this new career that you're going to be getting into. So as always, it's your business and you get to run it however you want to run it. So maybe being a personal chef is just a job for you, or it's even a side job. It doesn't have to be a career. It's just that whenever I entered it, I anticipated it being a career for me, so I set myself up this way. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please like it or share it with a friend. And if you know anyone else who's interested in becoming a personal chef, please let them know about the channel. I'd love to spread the word. I'd love to have more personal chefs out there in the world. So thanks again for watching. I hope you have a good day.